'63 Plymouth, one of 5 made by Plymouth in '63. This one here has aluminum doors, hood, fenders, bumpers, and is a very special car. 426 cross ram, 13.5-to-1 compression. The car is restored to amazing specs. It's brand new, maybe even better. Joe Leppert bought this car from Reggie Jackson. Came out of the Reggie Jackson collection, which is probably worth quite a bit of money, and just in itself being able to say that about his car. It ran 115 miles an hour and 12 fives. 1235. Which in '63 was picking them up and putting them down. Now, not so much. Has to buy special gas because of the 13.5-to-1 compression. $10 a gallon. Gets 3 miles to the gallon. But wow, what a cool car. Here's a picture of his display sign. Belongs to Joe Leppert. And you can read about it on the sign. I'll stay here for a little bit.